No, look how dark it is in here. That's with we're in the car and it's fully with the windows with the tape on it. After 30 minutes or so inside the car, I have a extreme headache, so I'm gonna sleep in the house tonight. I think that there's too many paint fumes. Good morning. So yesterday we were painting the car, and today we're gonna take a look at our progress. I didn't sleep in the car because there was like fumes, so I slept on the couch, and yeah, we're just gonna grind through it. Okay, so as you can tell, we have some like spots that are still clearly white, and then there are some other spots that are actually like the right color. So like this is the right color here. Here's the hood. It's turned out pretty cool. I'm excited to peel off the subscribers' names. Or I just kind of use what I have that's left, and then we just send it that way. I'm not sure what you think, but because it's not gonna be perfect, you know? Yeah, we've blown our paint budget, so this is about as good as it's gonna get. Maybe in the future we'll repaint it, but at least it's kind of a solid color. And I found some other paint we might use for the bumpers, just to kind of, you know, make everything look sort of like, I don't know. I kind of want to clean it up a bit. Like, what I mean is cut this off, maybe staple the bumper somehow. I don't know, but we're gonna use this, and yeah, just kind of see what it looks like. It's just paint that's gonna get thrown away anyways. Oh, nice. Looks cool. Yeah, the hood is super splotchy, but but you know, we put this like textured kind of paint on it. Looks real cool. My fingers are like, I don't know, permanently here or something, but it's fine. Looks cool. It's all sort of one color. Man, the roof is really bad, but you know, as we afford more paint, we'll paint more. It's fun. I was just trying to use like whatever we had left, you know? So I found this like truck bedliner stuff, and we put it on there, and we like splattered it over the bumper, you know? So it looks like cool, right? Yeah. While we were taking this off, I noticed that it had these like crazy spiked screws, and there was some rubbing against this. So I'm glad that we're gonna remove those, because I don't want any more electrical issues. We are currently waiting for the bumper to dry, the rear bumper to dry, and then we'll use, like, we have maybe half a can of that stuff left, maybe, so we'll, you know, use it on the bumper, and then we'll finish taping everything off, or undoing the tape. I think I'm gonna try to fasten the front bumper so it doesn't flap, but we might not do that today. Before we go see Kyle in Utah, I do want to do a few maintenance things on the car. So we're gonna do that all at one time though. So we need to set up our like bathroom situation, you know, like we need a toothbrush, we need to, like, where are we putting the toothbrush and all that kind of stuff. How are we getting water for that? Where are we storing water? So those are some things we're gonna need to work through over the next few days. We had some fuses for the dual battery isolator, as well as a cigarette lighter hookup so we can hook up our inverter to the secondary battery, but they're not coming in for another 3 days. It got delayed, so we'll likely go to the junkyard tomorrow. Well, it turned out, at least now we have plenty of like a pretty consistent color and plenty of space to write subscribers' names on. So, yeah, I gotta head out. We still need hundreds of dollars before we can move. So, I guess before we go do some deliveries, let's add the new subscribers to our Yaris. JP. Patrick Clark. Lane Hip. Alan W. Party Boy 67. Cam Cut CNC. Go to the arcade.